We on, cuz.
Gangsta, hey gangsta. Nowadays, man, everybody gangsta. Look around, all gangsta. Everybody wanna be a gangsta. Hey gangsta, hey gangsta. Man, nowadays everybody gangsta. Hey gangsta, hey gangsta. Everybody wanna be a gangsta. Yo, man, I'm so for real. Beanie Bang, Lafayette, Louisiana, Fightingville, track life, where it's cut. Man, I'm sharp as a knife. Fuck around, one of my punchlines are in your life. Man, a nigga never heard of on every track is murder. I be flying in the plane, spaceship or a murder. I murder the beat, that's the type of shit you heard of. Niggas say they killers and all that, but I ain't never heard of any one of them. Smashing each and every one of them. I ain't kidding them, I ain't friendly, I don't fuck with them. Fuck with on the sketcher, Beanie Bang, I'm so official. Man, these niggas couldn't see me on the frame in a picture. I go off the dome, I go off the dome. If I heard he got the bricks of pounds, then I go in his home. I be freestyling, man, I'm really in my zone. I be so retarded, I don't know what's going on. And this shit off the head, no, I ain't never wrote it. Man, I come from Fightingville, while we get salted, I control it. At the bottom of that coolie, beat the track just like a bullet. Man, my niggas got my back covered, just like a hoodie. Man, going in my flow go hard and never soft. Man, I be falling off, but I been water in the show. In the graphics with my hoodie so Jurassic, it get tragic. Try to get outlined in chalk, this shit get tragic. It get plastic, put on I-10 or 10 news. Man, you get the blues, get knocked out of pot your shoes. Fuck them other dudes, I be going off. Man, I be going realer. Beanie Bang such a gorilla. Lafayette, Fightingville. Yeah, I be going in. Better hop up in that water, you better know how to swim. I'm from Italy, I'm Florence. Peel your top just like an orange. Say I'm from Louisiana. Cabana, peel your head like a banana. Bust your watermelon cantaloupe. Renalo, hey, Fightingville, I keep that hammer close. You just be freestyle, I ain't never put on paper. Beanie Bang chase as a paper. In my style fresh as a razor. Sharper than a razor, I might shop it like a taker. We roll blunts and we keep smoking like they smoke blunts in Jamaica. I'm with Marley, get Marley on the camera. Get this nigga on the camera like, happy birthday, Ralph. Let me get it up. Then I shake back, I go in the family. Ain't I do this for my hammer. About to build a keep a hammer. Joke slammer beat, I go retarded and see. Beanie Bang, what he talking about? Tell haters beat their feet. I be falling off but bouncing back like basketballs around my back. These niggas talking shit, the sharks attack. I'm in that water jack. Really though, man, I holler really though. Them tweakers and them little niggas in the hood got feel me though. Say fuck them other niggas, still a nigga style. How I'm really though. That's how we get down, kick it down. Fight with Rob because that's my fucking round. It go down. If you play with him, then you get blown. We'll squash him to the pavement, and I beat a beat like slavery. Ain't nobody fucking me. Ain't nobody fucking with me. Know a nigga go and get him. Make a fraction out of him, man, I straight up split him. Divide him on the track, decide him on the track. Man, I'm hot and on top him, hot his body on the track. Yeah, but let me get it though. In my style, chop off a knife and then I rip it though. Yeah, off that rocker to the head. I woke up with an angel, had an angel in my bed. I spread her wings, she gave me halo. Beanie Bang, these niggas soft as Play-Doh.
Don't do it, Dub, girl. Go again.
Here I go. Let me go. Hold on. I'm from my chicken realm. Freaky world deal. Ain't nobody harder. They call it beef, I call it cows lined up for slaughter. I'm serving those. Welcome to the Carter. Beanie Bang, chopper niggas hot just like a barber. We going in, we swimming, then we going off. In that water, such an alligator, I am such a shark. Probably falling off with that dish show, yeah, I'll be freestyling. Look a blowing, we be plowing. And my niggas out there riding. Where your niggas at, they hiding. Chop them up when we go find them. Get the razor, we line them. The first line them, they never find them. I'ma try them, Beanie Bang. See a snake up in the jungle, chop the head off anaconda. Where I roam around, got to keep that banger. They be hating while I roll around. They say they like my music, but I don't hear a song. I heard you rapping now, but you ain't speaking shit now. Cause you ain't about that shit you rapping, you just acting. BD bang, I chop them down just like a fraction while I'm acting. Quarterback for second, watch it shocking in the vision. BD bang for bullets with precision, you make whole decisions. I let him have it. The beat I grip and grab it. Every time I make a knife up with the flow, I cut and stab it. I beat it up and jab it. Punch his body bagging. In the beat on over every track is murder. Get the body bags in or get them bagged up. I got choppers in the building, they all cut your ass up. I really don't give a fuck, never did. I don't play with kids. What you mean I'm not a pedophile? Say I don't play with kids. Chop and split your wig like them Chinese do. Read through, stop begging for a feature, cause I eat you over these beats, and I ain't really serious. Got banana clips for these monkeys, they feeling curious. That's every it's a George. And if you know what, I got people, they last names are George. They last names are Foxes. Fuck with them, y'all riding boxes. And that's the hurt, y'all people wind up in them boxes. And I chop them down, say we don't fuck around. It's Beanie Bang around this town. I go circus, say I'm a fucking clown. Lay him down, never fuck around with them fucking round. Heard that go get my mixtape, say I'm the hottest round town. Yeah, flow is never short. These niggas talking shit, but I be rolling like a cart. Man, what's the deal? The kid got skills. Marley keep the blunts rolling like them bitches on wheels.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? My nigga Beanie Bang, you heard me? Nigga sleeping on that bar, you heard me?
I ain't got no
fuck with that nigga, you heard me?
Yeah.
That's another one coming from the Lord, you heard me?
The Chronicles of Buzz Lightyear, you heard me? Astronaut Music, June 27th. Free Dub, free Tip, I fuck with Marley, I fuck with Cal. Fuck a Ryan, nigga. Lil Ralph, happy birthday, it's June 6th, you heard me? Y'all know how we do, like, you feel me?
No, bro.
Y'all keep it to it, man, I might run another one.
You talking about that mixtape?
I just took June 27th at the Chronicles of Astronaut, Buzz Lightyear, you heard me? Nigga all fucked up, like, with these guys Jews.
Ball Waka Flocka, all them all like, yeah.
Fuck all them niggas, though.
Yeah.